So I'm going to be doing a video on replacing a mode module or a mode motor on a 2004 Honda Odyssey. And basically what my problem is when I press this mode motor right here, the mode button, it doesn't switch, right? So I don't get any air from the top where the defrosters are, and it doesn't switch over to any other function. Now, to check to see if it's your mode motor, what you're going to want to do is you're going to come down to where your gas pedal is, and you're going to look up, and it's going to be this guy right here. And you might need two people for this. You're going to want to press your mode motor, and if it's not moving, then that's going to be your problem. All right, so when you're taking it off, what you're gonna want to be mindful of is this piece right here is actually normally attached, similar to how this one is. But I just popped it off. And what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to get a flathead screwdriver, and you're gonna want to kind of pry gently on the tip right in the corner, and then it's going to pop off. Now, once you get both those clips out, right there, should be pretty easy. You're going to pull this out, and then you're going to see this piece right here. It's going to rotate back. That's okay. And then you're going to take this piece up and out as well and move it off to the side. And then we're going to start unbolting two of those screws. And also, might as well, since you're here, go ahead and unplug this. So, once you have it out, you're going to want to take this piece off, and you're going to see a little clip right in there. See if I can zoom in good enough. And this is actually going to be inside here. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get a little screwdriver. You're going to want to get on up here, and you're going to want to push it back. That's going to disconnect it. Once you do that, and you're just going to get your screwdriver, and you're going to just pry it up. Alright. You're just going to grab it, and you're going to pry it up a little bit gently. Don't force it out. You're just going to want to make it come out nice and easy. Just like that, right? And then you're just going to pull up on it. There we go. Out with the old and in with the new. Oops. All right. And you're just going to put it on nice and gently. And then you're going to come back up here, and you're going to just push that. Let's see here. You're just going to push that clip back inside. Like that. All right, so once you have it all screwed back in, you still have these little arms, and what you're not going to want to do is you're not going to move this to match the positioning of these arms, because that'll break the gears inside the motor. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to move these ones, these two areas right here, to match what the motor's at, what position that's at. All right. So for this one, it's already as far back as it can go. And to put these little clips back, all you're going to do is you're just going to grab one side, and you're just going to squeeze, and it's just going to go back on, like that. All right, and you're just going to do the same thing for this one. You're going to push it up, probably on the plastic, it'll be better. Right? So you move this to match this, and then just pop it in the other way right there, and then you plug it in, they're all done. Now, when I press the mode button, you can see that the motor moves. And it changes the position of the airflow. And before it did not. Right? Just like that. Fantastic.